Hello developers, welcome to my Capsule code. JavaScript is a powerful language that can add interactive to a website. It was invented by Brendan Rich. Today our topic data structure. We know data is a very much vast topic. I will just give you some idea of root knowledge about data because you have to learn from the roots and data is the roots. So this data is root of this topic. So let's start. Data is collection of information gathered by observation, measurement, research, or analysis. Related to computer and transmitter media, data is information converted into binary and digit form. So the computer represents this data, including video, image, sound, text, and binary value using parameter of just two parameters, 1 and 0. A bit. A bit is the smallest unit of data and represents just a single value. And a byte is a 8 binary digit long. Memory and storage. Storage and memory are measured in megabyte and gigabyte. In computer science, a data structure is a format to organize, manage, and storage data in a way that allows efficient access and modification. More precisely, a data structure is collection of data values, the relationship among them, and the function or operation that can be applied to that data. So, so it just a data structure is an way to store data. Just way to store data. So, if you have been coding for a little while, you must have used a data structure. However, have you used a array object? Have you used array object like let let x is a variable and this is an object to b3. Those data are all data structure. All of them are a collection of values related each other. This b a element and x is variable. B A is related. Every data is related to each other and can be operand one by one. All programming languages have built-in data structure, but those often differ from one language to other. So, dear developers, JavaScript is a dynamic language with dynamic types. Variable in JavaScript are not directly associated with an particular value type, and any variable can be assigned and reassigned values of all types. So let's check the example. Here is code is variable and assign value 4 and reassign same variable string cherry and reassign against reassign the value boolean true. Now here log console log code and first of all 4 assign 4 and digit number. Second string Jerry, output Jerry. Third William true. and output true. So guys, assign 4, then variable is number by string variable, assign string, then same variable code is string variable, and assign boolean true, same variable code. Now behavior is boolean true, output true. Let's check it another way. Actually, the JavaScript implicit questions are very convenient. Let's see another example. Code. Here is code is 4 digit. Here is capsule is 21, and cap is 21 plus 2 is string. Is this string? Yes, is strings. Number true is string true. So how can work? Let's see our output 212. This is one number and plus operator and string is not behavior to operator because of string is true is string. So his concatenation to 21 and 2. So this is output, and this is 20 is this number. Now we are reassign, then we got this. This is the variable. No, not variable. It is this is the dynamic variable. You can use it how whatever you want. JavaScript has primitive built-in or non-primitive or primitive built-in and non-primitive or reference not built-in data structure. Primitive data structure come from default with the programming language, and you can primitive in implementation you can implementation them out of box like area array and object, and it refer to single value. Non-primitive data structure does not come to default, and you have to code them have to if you want to use them. Now let's go through most popular data structure out there. So we are known primitive data types and non-primitive reference data types. Here is 1 to 7 primitive data type and one object, that is object, it is non-primitive reference data type. Array, function and date is an object. Those are non-primitive data type. So number one, string is it is primitive data type, and any text, any text, and number is any number 1, 2, 3, 4, and digit. Boolean true or false. This is boolean is primitive, and null is null empty, and undefined is undefined value, symbol something are, and big int, it is integer, big integer. So those are primitive data type. Next, non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type is first of all object. Array is a actually array value array here is array element 1, element 2, element 3. Function, this is key function, this is the name of function, parenthesis and date. This is the date and a new object and get the function. Those all are non-primitive data type. All these are primitive data type and all those are non-primitive data type. They are developers. Next video we are describe primitive data type and non-primitive data type in details. Thanks for watching.